I have the Independent Challenge 1 open, and that's the PowerPoint 3-9 that's located in Blackboard. And I'm going to save it as PowerPoint PPT 3-BIP, and then click on Save. Now the first thing you want to do is add your name as the footer on all of the slides. So I'm going to go to Insert, and then go to Header Footer. And you want the slide, it says to apply to all slides, so I'm going to click Footer and then type your name. Once you have your name typed, then just click on Apply to All. Then the next thing you want to do is apply the frame design theme. I'm going to click on the Design tab, and here are your themes. So I'm going to drop down the arrow, and I'm going to look for Frame Design. And I'm going to roll my mouse over top to get the tip boxes that come up. And once you have the frame, just click on it to select. Now I'm going to go to slide 2 because you want to insert a clustered column chart. So to do that, I'm going to change the layout. From the Home tab, I'm going to drop down the arrow next to Layout, and I'm just going to select Title and Content. And from here, I'm going to click on the Insert Chart, and it said a clustered column. So go ahead, here it is, say OK. And then you're going to enter the data on page PowerPoint 69. It's table 3-4, and it shows the data to enter. So this is only a template, so you just write what it says. Once you have all the data typed in, you just close it out, and here's your chart. Now that we have the chart, we want to format the chart using style 14. So here are your chart styles, and I'm just going to roll my mouse until we see chart or style 14. And once you have it, just click on it to accept it. For the title, I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to type in annualized return. Now I'm going to go back to New Slide, Reuse Slides, and then I'm going to browse. There were two files in Blackboard, the 3-9, which we have open now, and then the 3-10. So now I'm going to browse to find that file to the location where I have it downloaded. All right, with the slides open, I'm just going to select 2, 3, and then 4. And as you notice, as I added them, or I clicked on it, it automatically appeared over here on the slide pane. I'm just going to close that out, make the viewing area bigger. Now I'm going to insert a WordArt object, and that's going to be on the right approach to you. So right here, the right approach for you, that's on slide 4. So we're going to insert a WordArt object. I'm going to click on Insert, WordArt, and it says using the Fill Orange Accent 4 soft to bevel style. And then I'm just going to go ahead and move this up over top here. And I'm going to type in Invest Early. I'm going to press the Enter key, or press Enter, the long haul. Now once I have that typed, now I want to find the Text Effects button right here. All right, it says to point to transform, and then apply the button text effects from the follow path selection. So right here is follow path, and this looks like the button. Now we're going to move it to a blank area just because it looks like it's overwriting this text. So I'm just going to pull it over a little bit, and then I'm going to go back to text effects. Now I'm going to go to shadow, and I want to apply an outer shadow effect. And you can select any one of them that you think looks best. Looking at figure 3-19, okay, that's at the bottom of page 69, I'm going to go to the slide sorter view here. So we have basic investment planning, average investment return, the right approach for you. So I'm just going to drag and drop to drag this slide Then the next one is a question of funds. So I'm going to pull that one up. A fund for everyone, and then services and products is last. So once you have all of these in the correct order, save it and then upload to Blackboard.